What's the meaning of beddy-byes? Beddy-byes. Beddy-byes.
Beddy-byes. Beddy-byes. Beddy-byes is a colloquialism that refers to going to bed or preparing for sleep. The term is often used when talking to or about young children, and is intended to convey a sense of warmth and comfort associated with the routine of bedtime. It is believed that the origin of the term may lie in the sound of a child's babbling as they try to say bedtime. While not a widely recognized term in formal language, beddy-byes is a familiar and nostalgic phrase for many people, evoking memories of cozy pajamas, bedtime stories, and peaceful slumber.